Over the past couple decades, I've sold over $10 million of health and wellness programs for myself and for others. And I don't mean to brag about that. Well, maybe I do a little bit. But the reason I'm telling you that is because I'm not a natural born salesperson. And frankly, I don't believe anybody is a naturally born salesperson. I'm not anybody special. I just learned a process that works really, really well to convert somebody from just kind of inquiring about your services into a paying client. In this video, you'll discover the exact sales scripts that I've used to land clients without being pushy or sounding salesy. But here's the deal. If you're struggling to get people to sign up for your program, you're probably facing one or more of these problems. Maybe you feel like you're trying to wing it, and halfway through the conversation, you're sure you've lost them. Your voice cracks. You say, "Does that make sense?" for the 10th time. And inside, you're screaming, "Why am I so awkward?" Maybe people say, "Let me think about it." And then they never do, and they ghost you. You know that moment. You hang up the phone, all hopeful, and then you never hear back from them. What gives? They loved your program, right? Well, probably not. Or maybe you're feeling like you're losing yourself in the entire process. You're trying so hard to be convincing that you feel like you're wearing a mask. Spoiler alert, your clients can feel that too. The good news, you don't need to turn into a human infomercial to make more sales. Let me introduce you to the secret sauce. It's what I call the what, why framework. And here's how it works. It's 4 questions, the fundamental questions of every sales call, and it should go like this, in this order. What? What is the goal that the prospect is trying to accomplish? You have got to understand what that is. Why? Why is that goal important to you? Got to get to the emotional reason why they want to reach that goal. People buy on emotion, justify it with logic. Number 3, what? Have them share what they've tried in the past so we get a pattern of what their failures have been in the past and why they want to make that change now is the last why. Why do you want to make that change now? Or why is now the right time to act? That way they don't have to think about it. They're telling you why they have to do it now. It's simple, it's effective, and here's the best part. It doesn't feel like selling. It feels like helping, because that's what it is. Selling is serving. Now the what, why is just one piece of the puzzle. If you're ready to craft sales scripts that feel as natural as chatting with a friend, I've created a training just for you. You'll discover the exact scripts I've used to grow my business while also staying true to my own values. Click that link down below to get instant access. Let's take that awkward out of your sales calls and replace it with awesome. Because trust me, your dream clients are waiting to say yes. You just need the right words to get them there.